Hi guys, thank you all so much for coming back to the channel. I know I've been MIA, but guys, I've been working on some things in my house. Today, I'm gonna do a quick little springtime vignette on my counter so I can bring you all a video. Let's get into this video. I'm using these items that you see in this little jar, and I am using my beautiful DIY tray. If you are new to this channel, thank you for clicking on this video to watch. If you love my content, please go right ahead and join my YouTube family. And for all of my current subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys, because without you, this channel would be absolutely nothing. So I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, guys. So let me move things out the way and we're gonna get started here. Taking this tray. And this tray, guys, it was a frame with 3 pictures. I put pictures and I took it out and I used some silver glitter wallpaper and put on a piece of cardboard. See? And put it in the middle. Added the handles and the knobs to it and made it into a beautiful tray. That was fast, quick, and easy, and just a nice little vignette for springtime. Let me give you a close-up look. It doesn't take a lot for you to have a nice little vignette in your home. I would say on average, this vignette and all the items on there was probably less than $25. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Leave me a comment, and thank you so much for watching. And always remember to protect your peace. Stop ignoring when people are doing things to you and around you. Stop ignoring that. Call people on their mess and leave them alone if you have to. Everybody's peace should be important to them. People get out here and they want to act foolish and do crazy things and say crazy things to interrupt your peace. I don't care if they're your mama, your sister, your brother, cousin, co-workers, so-called friends or whatever. Get them out of your life quicker than later. Be blessed, guys.